I'll sing a song for you till I get the order. What have you done?
Sanju, I came here on a date with you, not to hear your boring songs.
Uh, we have come on a date. That's why I want to sing a song for you. I want to dedicate a song to you.
Hey, I don't need your any dedication, yaar. What do you think? That you're so big singer that you will sing a song and I will like it so much? I'm done with hearing your songs again and again.
Don't say that, man. You know, I want to be a singer.
Sanju, by singing in any cafe, you won't become a singer.
Cafes and hotels invite me because I sing well and they like my singing.
Hey, yaar, so make them hear it, na? Why you want to spoil my ears? It's been 1 year since you are trying. Did something happen? No, na? And it won't happen.
I'm just waiting for a one chance. If I'll get that chance, I'll give you everything you want.
Hey, yaar, by saying all these things, na, you have already wasted my 2 years. But no, not more.
First of all, nothing goes ruined in love. You are my partner. You should support me. But you are demotivating me. If you do this, then how will I move forward, man? Come on. I'll lose my courage.
Hey, you don't have any courage to do anything? And these dreams that you're carrying, na, so big, they will also crush down someday. You are spoiling your life and also spoil my life as well. Sanju, yaar, it's enough. Let's end it.
And it? What? But what's my fault?
Your mistake is this, that you're born in a poor family. Loser, you are a loser.
To be born in a rich or poor, it was not in my control. And I'm not a loser. I'm working hard.
So keep doing it. But from now on, don't try to contact me at all. Take this your band and orchestra and play it with somebody else.
Thank you.
Do you need any help from me?
No. The one who was with me for 2 years, she said so much and left. What can I expect from anyone else? I'm fine.
Whatever she did with you, it was very wrong. By the way, you sing so well. I have heard you live singing many times.
If I had sung well, I would have got a chance somewhere. I go to some company every day, but no one gave me a chance. Maybe she's right. Nothing can happen to me.
See, you don't give up. Keep working hard. And one day or other, I believe, whole nation will hear your voice.
I don't know when that day will come.
It will come soon. Keep this card and be on this address tomorrow at 11.
This is a music company.
Yes, it's of my father. And my father doesn't like people who come late. So on time.
Okay, I'll be on time. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you.
My daughter's choice has always been good. And anyway, we have been looking for a good talent for a long time. What a voice you have. You have so many tricks in your throat. It's amazing. And what to say about the lyrics? Thank you, sir. And we will not only do one or two songs with you, we will do the whole album. Thank you so much, sir. And here is a check of 5 lakh rupees from me. Start shopping for your music album. Thank you so much, sir. I don't know how to thank you. You changed my life in a day. Yesterday, when my girlfriend left me, I felt like my life was over. Everything was over. But today, I feel like I have found a new life and the life that I always wanted to live. I will always be indebted to you.
You deserve all this because you're so much talented. Best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Sir, your order? Sanju, you? How are you? Do you know, whole day I'm hearing your songs only. How good songs you're singing. I know, one day or another, you will become a so big singer, really.
Really? You listen to my songs? Didn't your ears get tired listening to my songs? Did you forget? You used to say that you are tired, your ears are tired listening to my songs. I won't be able to do anything in my life. And you had already given up on me. And I was also about to give up if Ria hadn't been with me. Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce you. This is my wife, Ria. Ria, you must know her.
Yes, very well. Sanju, sorry for that day.
I'm not sorry. I'm thanking you. If you hadn't done all that day, if you hadn't left me, I would have been with you. And you would have always demotivated me that you won't be able to do anything, nothing will happen. That day when you left me, and Ria held my hand, and she held me so tight that she took me to the heights of the sky. And there is also a saying, every successful man has a woman behind him. And that woman is like Ria. Thank you, Ria, for coming into my life and for changing my life. I love you.
I love you too. Let's order.
Yes, you please take order.